Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a July 2013 BL Mazda 3 hatchback. This shape runs from 4th month 09 to 10th month 13. Stock number is 4020. This car has a petrol 2 litre 4-cylinder LF engine backed by a 5-speed auto front wheel drive gearbox. 4-cylinder 2 litre LF engine. This car has had front end accident damage. Bonnet is no good. Headlight is no good. This car is fitted with factory 16-inch mags. Left hand front has a good tyre. Left hand door mirror electric type, non-indicator. Left hand front door. Left hand rear door. Left hand side skirt. Left hand rear factory 16-inch mag with good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left hand garnish light. Insurance tailgate with spoiler type. Rear bar cover, tidy bar cover. Right hand garnish light. Right hand tail light. Right hand rear 16-inch mag with good tyre. Right hand rear door in good condition. Right hand front door has been damaged in the accident. Right hand side skirt. Right hand electric non-indicator mirror. Right hand front 16-inch mag with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black factory cloth interior. Console lid with center console. Automatic gear stick. This vehicle has a factory 6-stack CD player. Passenger sun visor. Interior light. Driver's side sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Black vinyl. It has your cruise control, your voice, your phone control, and also your audio control on it as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.